Ito open eh, ito 18. Okay.
Walang barriers.
So we paid 700 pesos, no? Per person. Ganda. Baka may dinner ko ano niya. Dinner na
ChatGPT to.
nice siya. Ang galing. Dito, next stop pa. Today is Black Friday, no? We search online, no? The Czech Republic is one of the highest in terms of mga non-believers, atheists. Before 90%, before sa turn of the century, 90% of the Czechs were Christians. But now, what happened? More than 50% ata, or almost 50%. Atheist. Kung sa Pilipinas pa to yung Holy Week, very solemn, no? Yung iba nga nagpapa-crucify, at here, no? Mukhang wala. Oh, may carriage, oh, maya. Kita ya? Okay, we're going down.